These are the elevators at Parkway Center 3 in Great Tree, Pennsylvania. These are originally Westinghouse, but were recently modernized by Hatfield, unfortunately, with Innovation Prestige. And I think these may still be getting modernized too, because that one isn't even running. I don't know, maybe it's just because it's Hatfield. I'm not sure, I'll check. That one may still be getting modernized, so I may have just missed these. Chime from that lantern, Westinghouse. Ground. There we go. Unlocked. Oh no, lens, that's weird. Okay. Finally, they're not using monitor, or the ground. And it smells bad in here. Did not light up to 3. Make sure you go up. Hopefully building 11 next door is still original. But they may have also been modernized. Because they were original Westinghouse when I was here last time, but I wasn't able to get in because the door was locked. It was a weekend. New number 2. Here 3. That may be elevator stuff, I'm not sure. Back down to 1. It's a nice newer redone cab. LED lighting, black ceiling. Found Innovation Prestige. Not seen Lindsay's Innovation before. Here back one. I thought it was Hatfield because of that obnoxious chime. They normally use that chime. But it is not a complete replacement. I think that's the Westinghouse inner door track. And that's going to be